My name is Professor Jairam. This is my student Omar. Wake up!
Oh, sorry sir, I didn't know class started yet, sir.
Anyways, today we'll be learning about integration using U substitution. So, you must be asking yourself, what is U substitution? U substitution is the act of simplifying an integral so it's easier to read. So U substitution is often used in integrals that contain not only a function, but its derivative also.
Oh, goody.
So our first example, I have written here on the board, the integral of 2x plus 1 times x squared plus x dx. Now the first step in this problem is to pull out the u. The u in this specific problem is x squared plus x, and you'll see why shortly. So now that we have our u, our next step is to take the derivative of u, also known as du. du. Now, what is the derivative of x squared plus x? Simply 2x plus 1. Now, we have a matching 2x plus 1 in our original problem. Now, because we have that, it can be simplified to the integral of u du. Sorry, it's the dx right here. Okay, so now we have a simple integration problem. The integration, u can be treated as any variable such as x, so when we take the integral of a variable, as you all know, it is x. Oops. Omar, did you understand that?
Oh yeah, good job, Professor.
Next we'll try another example. In this problem we have a definitive integral. We have 2 points that will help us actually find an answer, as opposed to the previous problem was an undefined integral. So the same step, we find our u, which would be x squared, and take our derivative, du, 2x dx. Now we have a 2x dx in the problem, so it can be simplified to the integral from 0 to the square root of pi of sine u du. Now, since we have our bounds, first we integrate the problem. Integral of sine, as you all know, negative cosine of u, and we have our bounds, 0 to the square root of pi. So now we plug back in our x, so it is our u, so it is the negative cosine of x squared from 0 to the square root of pi. Now we plug in our defined bounds to x and subtract them to get the answer. So first we have the negative cosine of the square root of pi squared minus negative cosine, or plus, the cosine of 0 squared. Now, you all should know, the square root and a squared will cancel each other, so it becomes negative cosine of pi plus cosine of 0. And since you have been so good at studying a unit circle, you should know the answers here are 1 and 1. And the answer, 2. Simple as that. Get that?
Oh, good job, sir. I've been working in the book and in the other chapter, and I've been trying to learn how to do change of variable. Did I do this right, sir?
God, I hate this kid.
Sir? I have a question, sir.
Yes, Omar.
How are we going to use U substitution in real life?
Very good question, Omar. Well, as you can see, I have here on the board. For my many years in the calculus work field has taught me many things. I'm a part-time accountant, so we use this in cash flow. I'm also a part-time car salesman. Teacher salary won't get you anywhere here. So we would use it in depreciation, and finally on the weekends, I'm a meteorologist, so we use it in precipitation. Does that answer your question?
Yeah, you know what it is. Integration. Yeah, you know what it is. Integration. Yeah, you know what it is. All of these sums, yeah, you know they big, yeah. Screaming calc's nothing. What I got on the exam is something. Reppin' Miss D, cause I know everything. Integration, 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 integration. I pulled out that U using substitution. Integration, 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 integration. TI 84. Algebra student scared of it, we ain't. Take out the U, no time to faint. Plug and bounce into simplifications. Getting integrals, new creation. It's a tough one, you know what to do for it. And I got my pencil to the paper, changing variables, and I'm solving them on every level. Here's substitution's hard, here's what I tell them. Got an A on my test and that's part of schedule. No love for using substitution. Till now, revolution, yeah. You know what it is. Substituting you, that's what it is, yeah. Screaming calc's nothing. What I got on the exam is something. Reppin' Miss D, cause I know everything. Integration, 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 integration. I pulled out that U using substitution. Integration, 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 integration.
Omar, don't forget to do your homework.